How is your studies going on, Hassan?
Sir, Alhamdulillah.
Okay,
Better than
so
before.
I gave you a little homework, right?
Yes, sir.
20, 24.
Sir,
Yeah,
like in 20, the answer is coming, one answer is coming more than 100.
your answer is coming more than 100. How? Can you tell me how it is?
Sir, like I apply the trapezium rule, but it doesn't mean. Sir,
Yeah,
এখানে
you
sir,
tell us. You tell us the steps, like how you used. I am writing. You tell me.
sir, the step is totally wrong, sir. I think
Yeah,
so.
yeah, no problem. Whatever wrong from there, we will get the right one. You just tell me
Okay, sir.
what, how you
Sir,
did, how
half
did you try?
into, like, how far are the enemies 17 seconds after the cheetah
Okay,
began
okay.
running?
Tell me your one half into.
Like more half into a plus b.
Yeah, a plus b means what value you are writing. Tell me that one.
Sir, 15 and 17. 15 plus 17.
15 plus 17. Then
17
bracket close, right?
into
Then
29.
multiplied into
Into 29.
29. How you got 29?
Sir,
That one,
like
the
that
speed of,
above.
yeah, the speed of cheetah, right? That
Yes.
one you got.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. So this one area under the graph is coming how much?
Sir, it is coming. I'm telling, sir.
Yeah, how much it
Sir,
is
Assalamu
coming?
alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Yeah,
So
Navid,
it
did
is
you
coming
try?
464.
Okay, 400.
64.
It's coming 464,
Yes, sir.
and
But
it's in meter, right? Okay,
yes, sir.
uh, this is the distance traveled by the cheetah, right? This is distance traveled
The cheetah.
uh, by the cheetah in 17 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
They are asking how far apart are the animals 17 seconds after the cheetah began running. So you have to get the distance traveled by the antelope also, right?
Oh,
This is for cheetah. We are writing this is for cheetah, okay?
cheetah.
Distance traveled
By cheetah.
by cheetah. Okay, write it, huh? Your all the works will be now we will use, right? We'll be using them all. You see, this one is not the answer. This is part of our calculation, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's not at the end. We are not at the end. We are just beginning, right? We are at the beginning now.
Yes, sir.
So yes, you have the questions for MCQ. We have almost 2 minutes. So this 2 minutes is given for doing some work, right? Not
Yes,
only
sir.
for only simple one formula. Okay, then Navid,
Yes, sir.
you got the answer. Have you got the answer?
Sir, I couldn't do the first one, but I did the second and the third one.
That means you did other than 20,
20.
you did
Yes,
24,
sir.
5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you try it now. Did you try it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I tried it, sir. I'm watching, sir, now. I'm seeing now.
Okay.
So we
So
do the same calculation for antelope, then we subtract.
yeah. So you find it for antelope.
Okay, sir.
Distance
So half into.
distance traveled by the antelope.
Yes, sir.
Distance traveled by the antelope. How much take? How much is coming?
So So it's half
Yeah,
into
tell me half, then multiplied
multiplied by 50. Sorry.
11 plus 15.
Yes, sir. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Eh,
11. Yes, sir.
is it 11
Sir,
or
wait.
it is 14?
1, 2,
Oh, 14, sir. Sorry.
3.
Because 3
It
seconds, right?
ends in. Oh, yes, sir. So it ends in 2 seconds, right?
Yeah, 2 small square is 1 second. So six
Acha.
small square there because it started after 1 second, right?
Yes, sir.
So now it will be from 3 seconds to 17, right? So it will be 14
16,
seconds,
16.
right?
Yes, sir.
So 14 plus 16, right?
Yes, sir.
14
Into
plus
25.
16 into 25.
25.
Then what is the distance travel check?
What?
So, sir, 375.
375. Now you will add more 100 with this.
Sir, so
Then
why?
because when they started, the cheetah and antelope
Acha,
are
100
100
meters
meter
apart.
apart. So
Oh,
so cheetah antelope position,
so answer is 11.
yeah, the antelope position is how much?
Ha- 11
100.
meters
Yeah,
far.
375 plus 100, right?
Yes, sir.
475
Yes,
away
sir.
meter.
475.
So 475 meter is distance travel, right? From the
Yes,
beginning,
sir.
right? At the beginning it was 100 meter away, then again 375, now it is 475. And the cheetah is now from the beginning to now 464, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So how far apart are the animals now?
11 meter.
11 meter.
11 meter. Got it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is an interesting question, right?
Yes, sir. That means I was correct, sir. I was in
Yeah,
a
your
correct
your
line.
part of calculation, that one you did, that was correct. It's not incorrect, but it's not complete. It
Yes,
was
sir.
incomplete. We have to do these steps also along with that one. Then you can get the answer, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So our
Yes,
answer
sir.
is Bangladesh, right?
B.
11.
Bangladesh.
So actually, the thing we did is not new to us, right? Whatever
No,
we
sir.
did,
Yes, sir.
the thing is not new to us, but is steps are more, right? And there are multiple uh, multiple information you have to execute here, right? With care, with attention, proper attention, right?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Because here the time is the matter, that when you are calculating, you should take the time correctly, right? The speed, maximum speed, that one also you have to take correctly. Then this 100-meter apart, that one you have to bring in your calculation. So altogether many things, right? Then our next one is 24, right? Can we go to 24 now? Hmm?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yeah,
Yes,
24
sir.
already you got. Navid already got the answer, 24, right? Or let me see,
Yes, sir.
what you had? It is 24.
Wait, no, sir, it's not this. It's no, none of this. Wait, it's. So can you
24,
scroll up?
24,
Uh,
24. Okay. This one we
Yes,
did,
sir,
right?
24. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is your answer?
Oh, sir, my answer is C.
And Asan answer? For 24.
Oh, for 24, sir.
Hmm.
I also got C.
Okay. You also got C. How? How
Sir,
that?
actually I got 12.5, sir. I got actually.
Whatever you got, you tell us how you got it.
Sir, A is equals to like V minus U divided by T.
Then what it comes? I'm writing A equals V minus U divided by T.
Sir, A is equals to V minus U divided by T. With that way I got.
Okay, okay, I'm writing it. A equals V minus U divided by T. So they are asking you to find time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you want to get the time, if you want to get time, what you have to do?
Sir, A is 2.5.
Okay, V minus U by A, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
you
A
if you
is
want to get the
2.5.
time, V minus U by A. So how much is coming? From rest, right? So 10
Yes, sir.
minus
10
10
minus 0.
minus 0 divided by 2.5. Then how much is time? 4 seconds, right?
Yes, sir. For time is 4 second.
So time is 4
Hmm.
seconds for what?
Sir, for this,
Yeah,
reaching for 10, a speed of 10 meter per second.
yeah. So to reach that speed, right? And this speed will remain constant until the end of the race. So uh,
Raise.
for 4 seconds, it goes with acceleration, and rest of the time it goes with constant speed, right?
Constant speed.
Yeah. So what we have to do, we have to find how much time. Yeah, time is there, but how much distance it covered within
Yes,
these
sir.
4 seconds, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We did it before, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
We
sir.
did it before, right?
Yes, sir. We
We
did.
Sir, we
did
find the first part first, then we find the speed, then
so.
we find the second part.
So we have here 100 meter. We just find in 4 seconds how much distance is traveled. With which
Sir,
formula? Which formula will
Sir,
use?
v square is equal to u square plus 2as.
2as.
Okay, very good. So v square equals u square plus 2as. That means v square
Yes,
will
sir.
be
V
v
square will be
10.
10
10
10
square.
meters per second.
10
10
square.
square. That means
Yes, sir.
100, right? V square.
Yes, sir.
Then you have u square is 0, right?
0. Yes, sir.
and 2 multiplied by a means 5.
2.5.
2.5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 2 into 2.5 means 5, right?
5.
So
Yes, sir.
100 by 5 means 20, right?
Yes, sir.
So the distance traveled 20 meter in first
Yes,
4
sir.
seconds. Then we have 80 meter left, right?
Yes, sir.
That
So we
that
use the normal formula.
yeah, 80 meter it will go with constant speed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
80 meter it
Yes,
will
sir.
go with constant speed. So that one will use the simple formula or average speed formula, that is v equal d by t, right? So
Sir,
d will be equals to tell me.
sir, we have written here v square is equals to
Yeah, that one I already explained. V square equals,
one side is 20, another side is 100.
yes,
Hello?
yeah,
Hello?
Hello, sir.
yes,
Hello, sir?
yes,
Oh, can you?
yes. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can
sir,
hear
I'm
you.
listening.
Okay, so already we know that, right? That one we already calculated that our distance, if you use v square equals u square plus 2s, this formula, then our distance traveled in 4 seconds is comes how much? Hmm?
So distance travel in 4 seconds comes 20 meters per
20
second.
meter, 20 meter, right? So
Yes, sir.
80 meter, rest 80 meter, it goes with the
Constant
constant
speed.
speed 10 meter per second, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that one we
Oh,
have to find.
constant speed.
Yeah, that one we have to find the time taken to pass that distance 80 meter, right? So what is the formula? V equals d by t, right? And
Yes,
t
sir.
equals d
Is
by
equals
v. T equals d by v. Then what is the time coming? D is 80.
8. Yes,
80
sir.
divided by 10, that is 8. So 8 plus 4 is 12 seconds. Now you
yeah.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? This one once we did, right? Once
Yes,
we
sir.
did. So actually,
Maybe, sir.
maybe means I can remember we did that. Maybe you
Okay.
were not present, but Asan and Farhan was present that time.
Sir,
Oh,
I didn't have the worksheet.
Okay,
So far, I
so
didn't
you wrote
cannot do
it.
that.
Have you written what I said?
Yes, sir, I wrote.
Yeah. So you got now 12, right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
No confusion with this, right? Then
No, sir.
Hmm.
25.
Sir, where is Farhan?
Farhan sent me message. He's outside. He's one of his brother's wedding preparation. He's very busy.
Oh,
Okay, no problem. We have the recording, so we can manage it, right? Okay,
yes,
now
sir.
yeah, we continue here. We focus here because we have to finish our all these topics quickly, right? By July.
Yes, sir.
Then we have to start the revision mock. So do it fast. Then Asan, read this question. Asan,
A stone is
Sir,
projected
I
horizontally at one time t is equals to 0 and falls. Air resistance is negligible. The stone has a horizontal component of velocity v1 and a vertical component of velocity v.
hmm.
Which graph shows how WH and VV vary with time t.
Hmm. Yes, so stone is projected horizontally at time t equals 0. So it is about projectile motion, right?
Yes, sir.
Projectile motion,
Yes.
and
না এখন
it
বইয়ের
is
ঝামেলা
thrown.
যাচ্ছে না,
It is the
কোয়েশ্চেন তো দিতে
first
পারি গেছি।
condition where the projectile is thrown horizontally with some speed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Air resistance is
বল
negligible. The stone has a horizontal component or
কিসের?
velocity Vh. Vh will remain always
দ্য
constant,
থিং
right?
ইজ আমার না
Horizontal
মানে
component.
চ্যাপ্টার বলতে
Yes, sir.
বাকি
Because no
হ্যাঁ, বাট
air
দেখা যায় যে
resistance.
And the
চ্যাপ্টার ধরতে
vertical
গেলে সমস্যা
component
হয়।
at the beginning it
এই
was
জন্য দেখলাম
0,
আমি
then it's
So it's constant
increasing gradually,
acceleration.
right? It's increasing
Yes, sir.
gradually
বেশি
because of
সমস্যা
the
বলতে আমার কোনো কিছু নাই। দেখা যায়
you
কি আমার
know
অ্যাডভান্স যেটা ম্যাথস
acceleration
দিই না,
due to
ম্যাথস দিলে কিছু
gravity, that
চ্যাপ্টারে
is
সমস্যা আছে।
constant
অ্যাডভান্স
acceleration,
যেরকম দেখা
right?
যায় একটা চ্যাপ্টার রিভিউ দিলে পরে দেখা যায় আমি
Isn't it?
পারি।
Yes, sir.
মানে অনেক মানে
So
যেগুলো চ্যাপ্টার
which
ভুলে
one
ভুলে
is
যাই
our
সেগুলো ওই যে ধরো একটু স্যারকে বলে
graph
রিভিউ দিতে একটু
25?
A.
এরকম। কিন্তু ম্যাথস দিতে ধর কিছু কিছু চ্যাপ্টারে সমস্যা আছে।
A.
Sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. I
Asan,
think A.
Asan, you understood it. Why it is A? Have you understood?
Sir, sir, I have one question over here.
Sure, sure.
Sir, air resistance is negligible. Like answer is A, I understand. But one confusion is air is resistance negligible. Negligible means downwards. So
Negligible
D also
means
could be.
there is no air resistance. You understand it? Negligible means what? There is no air
No
resistance.
resistance.
Yeah,
Ah,
that means the object will fall freely without any obstacle, right? That's called free fall, right? Constant acceleration. Is it clear? If air resistance works, then acceleration will
আচ্ছা ওয়াইটা
decrease, right? Then it will reach to terminal velocity once, right?
না পারবো স্যার পারবো।
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the thing we understood or learned before. So you got your answer, Hassan?
Yes, sir. Now I got.
Yeah. So our answer is A. Very very good. I actually very much happy that you got the answer now. Did we do this one 23? I think 23 is left. So read it. Navid, read it and then
23,
get the answer. Yeah.
23
A
and
football is
17 is
released
left,
above
sir.
a plane. So should I read?
Yes, yes.
A football is released above a plane sloping surface and bounces several times. The diagram shows its path between its bounces at x and at y. Assume that there is no air resistance, which graph correctly shows the variation of time t with the horizontal component of its velocity vh between x and y.
So you see the football is released above a plane, then sloping surface and bounces several times. So it's like uh,
So it's like the previous question we did.
which one?
The last question we did. No air resistance.
There is no air resistance, but here there is something different. Like it's like the second condition of projectile motion. If the object is thrown up with an
Yes,
angle,
sir.
right? With that one.
So the speed will just decrease, I think.
If it is going up, then the vertical component is decreasing, but the horizontal component always remains constant, right?
Same.
Isn't it?
So yes, sir. So the
হ্যাঁ
So,
D44
same
আসছে।
thing.
what should be the answer? Check.
Sir, can I see the C and D?
Hmm? You don't
Option
see.
C and D.
You don't have the
No, sir.
printed one.
Sir, not in front of me. So I think
Okay.
it's C.
Yeah, it's C because horizontal
কিছু
component
বললেই
is
পারা।
always constant.
Yes, sir. So it's the same
Yes.
type of question.
Yeah, similar type of questions, but here we are dealing with the second condition of uh, projectile motion, right?
Yes, sir.
Projectile motion has two conditions. One is you are throwing horizontally from a up uh, from a higher place. Another one is from ground you are throwing up. Is it clear? So
Yes,
it is
sir.
second condition. Something is going up, right, from the
Yes,
ground
sir.
with an
break
angle.
of 10 minutes, but breaking.
So in both the conditions, we have the horizontal
এটা
component
জমে যাওয়া
constant. Only
যায়
vertical component increases or decreases, right?
Yes, sir.
In this case,
Yes,
at
sir.
first the vertical component will decrease, and at once the vertical component will be zero. Again, it will return back. That time vertical component increases. In the second condition, right? This one. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand what I'm saying?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. And the horizontal component always remains constant for both the conditions. In the first condition, the horizontal component is constant and the vertical component always increases, no decreasing, right? Like this one, 25 we did, right? The vertical component always increases, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And if it is air resistance, then there is, decreasing gradient. There will be a less steeper gradient, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So always keep in your mind the equations of motions, then graph, these things fresh in your mind. Okay, now 17 left, right? 17, huh? 17, can you read?
Yes, sir.
A
Sir,
Nabil?
boy
should I
throws
read?
a ball vertically. কে নাইট পড়তেছিল?
Yeah, Nabil. Tell Nabil to read. Nabil,
A
read.
boy throws a ball vertically upwards. It rises to a maximum height where it is momentarily at rest and then falls back to his hands. Which row gives the acceleration of the ball at various stages in its motion? Take vertically upwards as positive, ignore air resistance. Hence, the important point of physics here is that if air resistance is ignored, the acceleration is always g in a downward direction, whether the ball is rising, stationary, or falling. Many candidates choose answers A and D, suggesting that g changed direction and was zero when the ball stopped.
Okay, so this one a little bit tricky question, huh? We have here some information given here that take vertically upwards as positive, ignore air resistance. We have here one thing that is acceleration due to gravity, right? And acceleration due to gravity is constant, right? It is constant. And that means in every position, everywhere, the acceleration due to gravity is same, right?
Yes, sir.
What is changing? The speed is changing, right? When you are throwing anything upwards, then when it reaches to maximum height, the uh, speed becomes zero, right? But the acceleration due to gravity, that one does not change. And what is the proof it does not change? Because after reaching the maximum height, again the ball is returning back due to gravity, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So is this question is a little bit, with deeper, concept. So we have the first idea that 9.81 will be a constant in every position. It's rising, maximum height, or falling everywhere. Now, which one will take, B or C? The minus one or plus one we will take. That one is the concern, main concern here. They are saying normally what we say, the vertically upwards we take as negative, and when it's returning back, that time we are taking it positive. Okay, because when it is moving upwards, it is working against the gravity, and when it is returning back, it's working towards the gravity, right? Isn't it? Hello, have you got it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
But
sir.
in this case, they told the vertically upwards as positive. Just uh, if it is positive, then when it's returning back, it should be negative. Ah. So in all the case, we are taking it as negative. Like the answer should be Bangladesh. Okay. Hello.
Yes. Sir,
Yeah.
listening.
They
Oh,
are
sorry,
saying,
sir. My mic was muted, sir. I was saying B and negative.
yeah, yeah. The answer is Bangladesh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
B.
this one, about this one, you think more. We will like here hints given. This hints is taken from examiner's report. You know, for every exam series, after the result is published, after checking all the script by the examiners, the principal examiner, he makes a report, and that reports has some, discussion, some difficult questions where the candidates got more difficulties, right? Uh, in this case, this question is also a question like that, and on this, the principal examiner's report is added here, right? Here is the writing is available here. It's from principal examiner's report. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it,
Huh?
everyone? Yeah. So our MCQ part is over, huh? Our MCQ part is over. Now we will go for structured part. Okay. So we have a break, huh? Now before going to structured part, 6 minutes break, huh? After 6 minutes we join again. Thank you, huh?
Sir, so when exactly?
Yeah, exactly. After 6 minutes, it is 9:12. You join, okay?
Okay, 9, 12.
12 past 9, you come back. Thank you.
Okay, sir.